Want to make your home smarter, cozier, and more relaxing? These genius Amazon smart home gadgets are designed to bring maximum comfort and convenience to your everyday life. From automated helpers to clever upgrades, they'll completely transform your space. All product links are in the description below. Step into your own personal spa with this zero-gravity massage chair. It automatically detects your body type and tailors a massage just for you, with 5 different programs ranging from deep tissue to soothing sleep mode. The extra-long SL track glides from head to toe, while airbags wrap around your body for full compression relief. Built-in heat therapy warms your back and legs, boosting circulation as you relax weightlessly in zero-gravity mode. Even your feet get special treatment with rollers and airbags that ease tension and refresh tired muscles. Why juggle a dozen tools when one can do it all? This 6-in-1 hot air styler dries, curls, straightens, and adds volume with ease. A high-speed motor blasts powerful airflow, cutting drying time while protecting your hair from heat damage. You get silky, frizz-free results with adjustable heat and speed settings tailored to your hair type. Complete with multiple attachments and a travel case, it's like bringing the salon home. Think of this as a mini spa you can hold in your hand. This 4-in-1 beauty tool uses red light therapy and gentle massage to smooth wrinkles, lift skin, and brighten dark circles. With interchangeable heads, it works on your face, eyes, neck, and even body. Just apply your favorite cream, glide it over your skin, and let it do the rest. Portable and rechargeable, it keeps your glow going anywhere. Heavy legs after a long day? These compression boots bring instant relief from your feet up to your thighs. Air chambers gently squeeze and release, improving circulation and melting away tension, while soothing heat adds extra comfort around the knees and calves. With multiple modes and intensities, you can choose anything from light relaxation to deep recovery. Ancient therapy just got a modern upgrade. This smart cupping massager combines suction, soothing heat, vibration, and red light therapy all in one portable device. It helps loosen knots, ease soreness, and boost circulation right where you need it. Use it on your back, arms, or legs for instant relief you can feel. Lightweight and rechargeable, it's like bringing the spa to your home or anywhere you go. Long days staring at screens? Give your eyes the break they deserve. This lightweight eye massager combines gentle air compression, soothing heat, and even built-in Bluetooth music to help you relax. It targets pressure points around your eyes to ease strain, dryness, and headaches. The soft, skin-friendly material makes it super comfortable, while the foldable design makes it easy to take anywhere. Long day on your feet? Slip them into this shiatsu foot massager and let the stress melt away. Rolling nodes and kneading pads work deep into pressure points, boosting circulation and easing soreness from the soles up to your calves. With multiple modes and speeds, you control just how intense the massage feels. Use the remote for hands-free adjustments while you relax. It's like having a personal spa under your desk or couch. Tired, aching feet don't stand a chance against this clever little roller. It combines soothing massage with an ice pack for instant cooling relief, perfect for plantar fasciitis or swollen, overworked feet. The silicone rollers target pressure points, improving circulation and easing tension in minutes. Quiet bearings keep it smooth and silent, so you can use it anytime without distraction. Long day at work or hours in front of a screen? Slip on this head and eye massager and feel the tension fade. Gentle compression targets your temples, forehead, and the back of your head, while soothing heat eases tired eyes and melts away stress. You can adjust pressure, warmth, and even play calming sounds or your own music with Bluetooth. real quick before you buy your next Amazon gadget and waste hundreds of dollars. I've put together a secret Amazon cheat sheet that shows you how to save up to 80% on every order, and it's completely free. These are the tricks most shoppers don't know about, and Amazon will hate you for knowing them. Get your free guide. Links in the description. Aches, tension, or just feeling run down? This infrared heat lamp brings targeted relief right where you need it. The gentle red light boosts circulation, easing muscle pain, joint stiffness, and even cold symptoms without relying on medication. You can tilt it to focus on specific areas and set the timer for worry-free sessions. Safe, powerful, and easy to use, it turns at-home care into a soothing therapy routine. Safety on the water doesn't have to feel bulky. This inflatable belt pack stays slim and lightweight around your waist until you need it. A quick pull on the handle inflates it instantly, giving you reliable buoyancy approved by the US Coast Guard. There's even a backup oral inflation option for extra security. Comfortable, compact, and easy to wear. It's perfect for kayaking, paddleboarding, or any day on the water. Forget guessing what's in store-bought masks. This gadget lets you create your own right at home. Just add fruits, veggies, or even tea, and watch it transform into a fresh facial mask in minutes. It's completely customizable, so you can make one to match your skin's needs. The best part? It firms up quickly, peels off easily, and turns skincare into a fun little ritual you'll actually look forward to. Sore muscles don't stand a chance against this powerhouse massage gun. With 6 interchangeable heads, it tackles everything from stiff shoulders to tight calves. 9 modes and 9 intensity levels let you choose between a deep tissue workout or a gentle recovery session. The ultra-quiet motor keeps things relaxing, while the long-lasting battery means fewer recharges. Clipping nails doesn't have to be tricky or stressful. This smart nail trimmer does the job safely with its hidden blade design, making it gentle enough for kids, seniors, and even babies. A built-in LED light helps you see clearly, while the whisper-quiet motor keeps the process calm and easy. 2 speed settings let you choose your pace, and nail scraps are collected inside for mess-free cleanup. Melt away stiffness with this 4D shiatsu neck and shoulder massager. Its 8 kneading nodes and soothing heat function work deep into tense muscles, easing pain in the neck, shoulders, back, waist, and even calves. The ergonomic design hugs your body for maximum comfort, while adjustable modes and intensity let you tailor each session. Keeping track of your health doesn't have to be complicated. This wrist blood pressure monitor gives fast, accurate readings in seconds with just one button. The big LED display makes numbers easy to read, and there's even a voice broadcast option if you prefer to hear your results. It stores up to 240 readings for 2 users, so you can track progress over time. Rechargeable, portable, and simple. Perfect for at-home monitoring. Dark corners don't stand a chance with this sleek under-cabinet light. It's rechargeable, motion-activated, and bright enough to light up kitchens, closets, or hallways without flicker or glare. Choose from warm, natural, or daylight tones and adjust the brightness to your liking. The memory function remembers your last setting. Built-in magnets make installation a breeze, and the long-lasting battery means fewer recharges and more hassle-free lighting. Opening cans has never been easier. With just one touch, this electric can opener glides through lids smoothly, no twisting or cranking needed. The sturdy base keeps it steady, so there's no slipping while it works. A removable lever makes cleanup quick and simple. Perfect for any size can, it's a kitchen helper you'll reach for every day. popping a bottle just got way more fun. This bottle opener doesn't just remove the cap, it launches it across the room like a mini party game. Compact and easy to use, it's perfect for breaking the ice at gatherings or adding laughs to a barbecue. Made from durable materials with a stainless steel opener, it's built to last. Just remember, aim away from faces and let the fun fly. Love cherries but hate the mess? This handy tool pops out 6 pits at once, so you can get to the good stuff faster. A built-in splash guard keeps juice from spraying everywhere, making jam making and snacking way cleaner. The stainless steel design is durable, while the lock feature keeps it compact in storage. Lightweight, easy to use, and dishwasher safe. It's cherry prep without the fuss. Cool air anywhere you want it. This mini clip-on fan is light enough to slip in your pocket, but powerful enough to keep you refreshed. The 360-degree swivel lets you aim the breeze exactly where you need it, and the bladeless design keeps it ultra-safe and whisper quiet. With 3 speeds and up to 6 hours of runtime, it's perfect for work, travel, or outdoor fun. Your vanity just got a serious upgrade. This sleek cosmetic organizer stores all your skincare, makeup, and tall bottles in one neat, dust-proof case. The built-in LED mirror offers 3 lighting modes, so you can get perfect makeup in any setting. Its waterproof design keeps everything safe, and the rotating mirror makes styling easy from any angle. Clutter-free, stylish, and travel-friendly. It's beauty storage done right. Shaving or washing your feet in the shower doesn't have to be a balancing act. This suction cup footrest sticks firmly to smooth walls, giving you a stable spot to rest your foot. No drilling, no damage. Just press, lock, and it's ready to use. Its angled design keeps you comfortable, and you can adjust the height for anyone in the family. Perfect for safer, easier shower routines. Your campsite just found its new favorite seat. This hammock-style camping chair lets you sway gently while you relax, with a built-in head pillow for extra comfort. The retractable footrest adjusts or detaches so you can sit exactly how you like. A side cup holder keeps your drink close, and the breathable mesh seat keeps you cool. It folds down into a carrying bag, making it perfect for camping, fishing, or picnics. Craving ice cream, but don't want to wait? This personal ice cream maker whips up soft serve, gelato, sorbet, or frozen yogurt in about 20 minutes. Just freeze the bowl, add your ingredients, and let it work its magic. The built-in chute lets you mix in toppings as it churns. When you're done, enjoy your treat straight from the mug, then tuck everything neatly inside for easy storage. Finding the right necklace or earring shouldn't feel like a treasure hunt. This 360 degrees rotating jewelry box puts your entire collection on display, so you can see and grab what you need in seconds. With 5 drawers, 18 necklace hooks, and soft velvet lining, it keeps everything organized and protected. The glass window adds a touch of elegance, while the vertical design saves space on your vanity. Your little ones can lounge in style just like the grown-ups. This kid-sized double chaise is made from durable wood and topped with comfy striped cushions. A 3-sided canopy keeps them shaded while they sip from the built-in cup holders. There's even hidden storage underneath for toys or sunglasses. Perfect for backyard playdates, it's a cozy spot for 2 to relax side by side. Tired of wrestling with stubborn envelopes? This electric letter opener slices them open in seconds. No scissors, no tearing, no fuss. Just slide the envelope in, and the blade does the work automatically, then shuts off when you're done. It's safe, clean, and precise, so your mail stays intact. Compact enough for your desk, yet quick enough to handle a stack in no time.